Before you begin, wear work gloves to protect your hands. Switch the 2 house circuit breakers dedicated to the water heater off. Turn off the cold water supply to the water heater. Attach a garden hose to the drain valve and run the hose outside or to a location where the water can drain. Open a hot water faucet in the house or flip the relief valve open on the water heater. Open the drain valve and allow the tank to drain until empty. Tip: you don't have to drain all of the water if you're only replacing the top heating element. If you're replacing the lower heating element, drain all the water. Remove the screw on the heating element's access cover and pull off the cover. Fold the insulation back to expose the heating element. Lift up the tab on the top of the plastic shield and pull it off. Loosen the screws securing the wires to the heating element and disconnect the wires. Unscrew the heating element from the tank using a heating element socket. Pull the heating element out of the tank. Insert the new heating element in the tank and tighten it firmly. Reconnect the wires to the new heating element and tighten the screws. Reinstall the plastic shield over the thermostat and heating element. Fold the insulation back in place. Reinstall the heating element cover and screw. Close the drain valve and remove the garden hose. Flip the relief valve to the closed position. Turn the cold water supply on to the water heater and allow the tank to fill with water. Once you see water coming out of the hot water faucet, turn the hot water faucet off. Warning: don't restore power to the water heater until the tank is full of water. Flip the house circuit breakers to the on position.